welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited for today's video because my new planner finally got here. So this is a custom VDS planner which takes at least 5 weeks to make and ship. So that's why it took so long, and this one I don't think is on the website. When I reached out to Petra at VDS, I was looking for a white Croco or the closest to white because I've always wanted a white Croco planner. I just think they're so pretty. And so I saw that she had these Stardust Croco planners. So I asked her if she had any that looked like off-white or more on like the cream color side. And she said that she had some of her beige Croco left. So that is what I got. This is the beige Croco A6 size planner. And it comes packaged like this. It is so pretty, you guys. So here it is. I'm so happy with it. I can't wait to show you guys the way I'm gonna set it up. So here you can see a little bit of the texture. It's so pretty. I will say though that this is very different leather from like the Giglio leather. If you compare the VDS leather to the Giglio leather, it does have a little bit of a different texture and feel. The way that I would describe the Giglio leather, like this matte Giglio leather, it's really soft, and it has like a really buttery kind of like suede feeling, and it just feels really nice in your hands, and it definitely feels luxurious and expensive. Whereas this one also feels really nice, but it does have a different texture. It has more of like a patent type of finish where it feels like a little bit more glossy, and I don't know if you can really tell, but it does have more of a kind of like finish or shine to it. So this is the outside of the agenda. The front, it has a snap closure. This is the back, and then the top view and the bottom view. So a really nice planner, and I'm so happy with it. On the inside, I did go ahead and get the gold rings, and I think they look so nice in here. I'm gonna read you guys my order so you know exactly how I ordered this one, because I did email Petra and ask for a little bit of help to get the right size and everything that I wanted. She actually had some of her beige Croco leather available, so I requested that from her, and I just had her match the stitching to the leather. And depending on what you want, your order is gonna look a little bit different obviously, but I wanted an A6 size. So to order A6 size, you select the senior size, and then you can get it widened to A6 size. So that's what I had done, so it would fit A6 inserts and dividers. You can customize the cover color, the inside, the rings, the pockets, pretty much everything in here is customizable. So I wanted all beige Croco throughout the planner. I got the gold rings, and these are 20mm rings. I thought that these would be fine, and if I really need to upgrade later, I can, but I thought these would be perfect. And then I went ahead and got Secretarial Pockets. So I have one here and then one in the back. There's a passport pocket right here, another one here, and then there's a vertical pocket right here, which is about the size of a dollar bill, and then 5 card slots right here. And then finally I got squared corners. You can either do rounded or square corners, and this was an extra 40 euros, I believe, to get squared corners, but I just thought it would look a little bit more streamlined, so I went ahead and got those too. And then of course it has a pen loop, and I believe you can also customize the pen loops. I think you can opt to get 2. You can get one in the back of the planner and then one in the front as well. I thought this would be enough storage just to keep some stickers and some like task cards and things. So that's probably all I'll end up keeping in here. But I'm gonna go ahead and add in some of my inserts. I'm not gonna set this up yet because I'm still kind of waiting for a few things in the mail, and I'm kind of still planning out how I'm gonna use this. But I'm just gonna put in some inserts so you guys can see what it looks like filled up. So this is what it looks like with 2 sets of dividers in here. These are all dividers right here. I got monthly dividers from Cloth and Paper, so the first 6 months and the second 6 months. I would probably only keep 6 months in here at a time and then use side dividers, which I'm still waiting on. Like the rings aren't very big. As you can see, they're 20mm rings, but I think that's all I'll need so far, and if I really need to, I can upgrade them later. And then I have about 5, maybe 4 or 5 different sets of inserts in here from different shops. So I'm gonna close it up so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. But I'm really excited about this size. I was initially gonna set this up as a like goal-oriented planner and just check in with this periodically, like maybe once a week or so. But now that I have it, I really like it, and I think I might try to use this as like my everyday planner and then maybe just use 1 GM for work. So I don't know, I'll see how it goes, but I'll definitely update you guys. I have more things coming in the mail, and I'm gonna order a few more things this week. So hopefully in the next couple weeks it'll be fully set up and I can show you guys what I plan on doing with this a little bit more. But yeah, this is my first VDS and I'm really happy with it. It's so pretty. I can't wait to fully set it up. But anyways, that's it for me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.